Welcome all of you to STENO 24/7. This is case number 10, 1002 words on the subject of auto accident at 220 words per minute. Ready? Let's write this Q&A. Question: I have not introduced myself. I am the Assistant County Attorney and I am conducting this examination under the supervision and instructions of the coroner. I'm about to ask you some questions. I want to tell you that under the laws of this state and under the Constitution of this state, you have a perfect legal right not to offer any information that might tend to incriminate you. A person has the right to refuse to give any information that might tend to prove you guilty of a crime. Do you understand? Answer yes. Question: now that I have explained to you, do you wish to testify? Answer yes. Question: do you waive your constitutional right? Answer: I do. Question: how old are you at the present time? Answer: 28. Question: are you a married man? Answer: I am. Question: do you have children? Answer: yes, 3. Question: what kind of work do you do? Answer: I am a salesman. Sell tires for Tires Limited. Question: where's the main office? Answer: right here, this city. Question: do you work on the road that is over a territory? Answer: right. Question: on the day of June 6th, were you driving a car? Answer: I was. Question: where were you driving to? What was your destination? Answer: to Springfield. Question: were you traveling on business? Answer: well, no. I was traveling through to start work Tuesday. I was to be in Springfield Tuesday. I was to work the jobbers and the stores there the next day. Question: where did you cut off the main highway? Answer: I had breakfast and picked up my car at the garage. Question: did you have anything to drink that morning before leaving on this trip? Answer: no. Question: you picked up your car at what time? Answer: I was there about 9 o'clock. Question: on the entire trip from the time you left until the time of the accident, were you alone? Answer: that is right. Question: did you stop any place after you left the city limits? Answer: yes. My engine was a little warm and I stopped to take on some water. While the man was putting the water in, I had a bottle of 7-Up and a bag of potato chips. Question: where was this? Answer: I don't know, just a little station out of town a few miles. Question: did you have anything to drink anywhere along the way? Answer: no. Question: not even a bottle of beer? Answer: after or before? Question: did you have any after that then? Answer: yes, I did. I had 1 bottle of beer between North River and South River. Question: did you have more than 1 bottle? Answer: no. Question: did you stop for lunch anywhere? Answer: no. Question: you had no lunch up to the time of the accident? Answer: right. Question: as you were riding along, did you have any difficulty in driving? Answer: no. Question: were you sleepy at all? Answer: no. Question: how long have you been driving a car? Answer: for 10 years. Question: hadn't you planned on having lunch? Answer: yes, but the accident took place before I came to a good place to eat. Question: will you tell us what the traffic was like after you got out on the road? Answer: there was quite some traffic on the road, fairly heavy. Question: both ways? Answer: yes. Question: how fast were you driving? Answer: around 60 in there. Question: did you pass a number of automobiles? Answer: I passed some and several passed me. I don't know how many. Question: can you remember anything that might have interfered with your driving? Answer: no, I can't. Question: could you have fallen asleep? Answer: no. Question: and you say you were not under the influence of liquor of any kind? Answer: no. Question: do you remember where this accident happened? Answer: well, just this side of the river. I am not too familiar with the route. This is the first time I had ever been over this particular road. Question: do you know if the accident took place on a curve of the road or was it on a straight stretch? Answer: a little curve, very gradual curve, but it was definitely a curve. Question: was it before you made the turn to the curve or after you had started the curve? Answer: I was on the curve at the time. Question: did you pass any cars while you were on the curve before the accident happened? Answer: I can't remember too much of the details. I wasn't keeping too close track of what happened. I didn't know it was going to happen. I wasn't prepared for it. Question: did you see this car coming towards you that was involved in the accident with you? Answer: well, just like you see any car that is coming towards you when you are driving. You don't pay special attention to it. Question: can you say how far ahead of you this car was when you first noticed it? Answer: I don't know for sure. Question: do you have a conscious recollection of seeing it some distance away or was it there all of a sudden? Answer: no, it was there coming towards me. Question: on which side of the road were you when it was coming toward you? Answer: oh, I was on my side of the road pretty well over. Question: does the road have a center line in it? Answer: yes, I think so. I am not too sure. Question: it divides the road in 2 halves. Answer: yes, I think so. Question: were you over the center line? Answer: I might have been a little bit. I wasn't paying too much attention. Question: do you recall anything about the behavior of the other automobile? While it was approaching you? Answer: we were coming toward each other and I just started to pull over like that. Question: just a moment, pull over like that? Answer: I started to move toward my own side of the road, more that way. Question: had you been hugging the center line up to that time? Answer: yes. Question: you pulled Over more toward your side? Answer, yes. Question, where was he when you started to do that? Answer, I can't tell just how far, but he was pretty close to me at that time. Question, what do you mean pretty close? Answer, I don't know just how close. Question, half a block, 2 blocks away?